Welcome to WhiteCane Academy, inclusive learning for a brighter tomorrow.
Hello friends, what if I tell you now you can use your voice in your mobile phone as a TTS? Yes, it sounds amazing, but after watching this video, this will be a real possible things. Because in today's video, I'll be sharing one interesting application with you with the help of which you can set your voice as your TTS. To learn more everything, watch this video till the end. You're watching your favorite YouTube channel, WhiteCane Academy, inclusive learning for a brighter tomorrow. I am Ratul, your host for today's video. Before starting today's episode, I'd like to inform you that if you are interested to learn prompt engineering, then WhiteCane Academy is here to help. We have recently launched a course on AI prompt engineering where we will help you to learn how you can talk to AI to get the best results. The best part, this course won't take days or months. It just takes only 2 hours and you will learn how to talk to AI. For further details, do not forget to visit our website from the About page of this channel. Without further delay, let's get into the presentation. I found one application for Android which helps you to set your voice as a TTS. Everything I will show you in today's video. Not only this, all the voices available in this app is totally offline voices, which means everything stay in your device and you no need to worry about that sharing data over the internet. So without further delay, let's explore the app. Once you open the application, you will see this interface. Now, if I swipe from left to right, you can listen.
Buy Pro version.
So first is
Shopping
Buy
bags
Pro
emoji,
version.
Buy Pro version.
Yeah, what's there in the Pro version, I will tell you later, and what's the price, I'll also disclose everything. So keep watching this video till the end. So next is
Read clipboard. Clipboard
Read
emoji,
clipboard.
Read clipboard. Button.
So whatever text is there in your clipboard, you can read using this app.
System text to speech settings. Gear emoji
You can change
system
the
TTS.
system TTS
Button.
here. So that is very interesting.
Recite Hamlet. Face mask emoji Recite Hamlet. Button.
So these are some demo voices and demo things which you can explore.
Open ebook reader compatible list. Open book emoji ebook reader. Button.
So here you can open some other applications is there which can help you to read ebooks with AI voices. Some of them I have made videos, some of them I did not made. So if you want, you can explore by clicking here. Next is
Text to speak. Edit box.
text to speak, means here you have to type any text and then it will be speak easily. So if you have any text, you can type.
Open settings. Button.
This is the settings for this application. If you open it, you will get like theme settings, general settings, feedback, bug report, etc., which is very easy to explore.
Closed. Voice and language selector. Language N. Voice default.
Okay,
N
so
default.
language English
Button.
voice default is now selected, but we will explore this area. Before this, let me see what's there.
Ready. Speak text.
If
Button.
you click here, after typing the text in that edit box, if you click here, you can read that text using the selected TTS. Not only this, at the above of the screen, like at the top of the screen, you will see a player where play button is there, share button is there. So if you want, you can share that generated audio with others, whatever you type in this text box, and you can play that audio and you can listen to that audio. So this is a small brief overview of this application. Now I will share with you the steps which you should follow to use your own voice as a TTS. So guys, first of all, you have to download this application from the Play Store. I'll provide the link in the video description below, as well as on our official WhatsApp channel. So don't forget to join our WhatsApp channel from the link given in the video description below. So after opening this application, you will see this interface and you need to swipe.
Closed. Voice and
Until this
language
option.
selector. Language N.
Voice
default.
language selector.
N
So just
default.
double tap here.
Button.
Once you double tap here, you will reach to this screen where you can choose the
Detected.
voice.
Closed. Selected. Voices tab. Voices.
There are
Tab.
two tabs available, voices tab and language tab.
Languages. Tab.
So I will show you only the voices tab. If you prefer, you can explore the languages tab also. So after coming to this voices tab, you have to swipe again.
Edit box. Find a voice.
Here you can search the voice, but default voices are very limited for now.
Selected. Voice default. Default.
This is a
Button.
default voice.
Available. Preview voice. Button.
If you click here, you can preview the voice.
To be or not to be, that is the question.
So next is,
Not selected. Voice narrator. Narrator.
this is a
Button.
narrative voice. If you want to select this, you can just double tap here and it will be selected. If you want to get the preview, again swipe.
Available. Preview voice. Button.
Let's preview this.
To be or not to be, that is the question.
Okay, next is,
Not selected. Voice storyteller.
This one?
Available. Preview voice.
you can preview
Button.
it.
To be or not to be, that is the question.
So these are the voices provided by this application. Now I will tell you how you can upload your own voice. Before uploading any voice or anything, just let me clear you some little information. First of all, while you are uploading your voice should not have any background noise. Okay, you should upload a clean, and when you are talking to when you are uploading your voice, try to use clear pronunciation, and all pronunciation should be enough to understand for this application. Second thing is, please do not misuse this. If you misuse this, then it is totally up to you and your responsibility. WhiteCane Academy or any of its official does not responsible for any misusing of this information. Please note, do not upload any other voices except you, as per the law and as per the application legal requirement. Now let me show you how you can use this. Again I swipe.
Not selected. Available. Upload. Button.
Here you will see
Out
one
of list.
upload button and
Record.
record button. So if you want, you can record here, or if you want, you can upload the voices. Now for free you can upload only one voice, so let me upload it. Once you click on upload button,
Upload.
it will open the browse dialog
Recent.
where you can browse your files from the directory. So let me upload a voice. I have already recorded one, then I'll come back to the video. So guys, I have uploaded the voice,
Preview voice. But
and
preview.
see, this is the preview dialog.
Preview. Heading.
Preview,
Preview voice.
Preview
Button.
voice.
Decrease playback speed.
decrease
Button.
playback speed.
Current speed is 1.0xx. Increase playback speed.
So this is the
Button.
decrease and increase option.
Cancel.
Cancel.
Button. Continue.
Continue.
Stop.
So let's just
Stop.
quickly
Increase. Current. Decrease.
Play the
Preview
voice, preview,
Button.
and listen what I have recorded.
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. This is an example of human voice synthesis in English language.
So this is the sample which I have uploaded here, and let's see how it works. So let me just click on continue.
Preview. Preview. Continue.
Now after that, see,
Selected. Language. Selected. Voices tab. Voice. Edit. Selected. Voice default.
Default.
Not selected. Voice villain. But not selected. Voice custom.
custom. Yes,
Button.
this is the voice which we have uploaded. Now let me just preview.
Available. Preview voice.
To be or not to be, that is the question.
So you understand that this voice is quite similar to me, and that's very fantastic. Now just set it as a default voice.
Not selected.
So I just set as a default voice this custom voice.
Delete voice cut. Upload. Delete
You
voice
can delete
custom.
that
Button.
voice
In list.
and you can re-upload it again, or if you want to upload another voice,
Upload. Button. Out of list.
then you need to buy the pro version.
Record. Stop record.
So
Stop
just I need to go back to the I think this option is, I need to close this.
Close voice. Anything to be said.
So now after closing this, let me open the Google text to speech option.
Talk back menu. Braille this. Close. Text to speech. Talk set.
And here, if I go to
preferred engine
preferred
additional
engine
settings.
settings,
Preferred ticked. Speech recognition.
Speech recognition, Voicify,
Auto TTS.
Auto TTS.
Top said. Radio
yes,
button.
this one,
4 of 5.
top said. Okay, so just double tap here and let's see how it works.
Pop-up window. OK. Button.
Just click on OK.
Using to be said.
Okay, so understand that this voice is now set properly and I can use this. So let's say I'm just going to home.
Home. Microsoft.
I'm
Telegram.
increasing it.
WhatsApp.
See,
YouTube. Tech Freedom. News on air. Tech Freedom. News on air.
and unbelievable. This, though the volume is quite low because I need to record it properly, but still it works very well. And though there are some issues as the application is new, if your voice is clean and clear and it is English, then you can work with this. And I'm not sure whether it will also be available in Bengali and other like Hindi or other Indian regional languages. You can try it. Just I found this application, so I thought that I need to share these applications, these tricks with you. And now it's time to announce the application name. The application name is To Be Said, TOBESAID. So if you search on Play Store, you can get it. Also, links are already provided. So I hope you find this content interesting and useful. If so, please press the like button, press the hype button of this video, and share this video with your friends and loved ones. If you have any doubts or questions, type into the comment section. That's it for today. See you in the next tutorial soon. Till then, bye bye.